Printed circuit board test procedure for do-it-yourself 3D printed flipper. This video is an add-on to the instructions document which comes with the Flipper STL and Grieber files available at cults3d.com. Before connecting any solenoid and thermostatic switch to the PCB, a basic adjustment of the power limitation must be done. Do this by pressing and holding the FSW and MAXSW buttons and turning the potentiometer counterclockwise until the onboard LED gets fully dark, then turn back clockwise until the LED lights up a bit. The red button is connected to the SW terminals. This represents the external button to activate the flipper. The blue button is connected to the MSW terminals. This represents the external leave switch which minimize the power in case the flipper is fully deployed. Now connect the solenoids to the SOL1 and SOL2 terminals. By pressing the red or FSW button the LED should light, but none of the solenoids must get activated. After connecting the thermostatic switches, the solenoids should get activated by pressing the FSW or red button. When pressing in addition to it, the blue or MAXSW button, you should hear a beeping sound from the solenoid. To adjust the maximum power to the solenoids, you need an ampermeter capable to handle 10 ampere or a power supply with a current display. Here I do it with an ampermeter. Press and hold the FSW and MAXSW buttons, turn the potentiometer until you measure about 150 mA. Put 5V to the I-act terminal. Make sure the 5V and main power supply are having a common ground. By doing so the solenoids should get activated. This simulates the activation of the flipper by the controller. Connect a voltmeter to the OACT terminal. In case the solenoids are activated there must be an 5V output. In case the solenoids are not activated you should measure 0 volts. The OACT is used for the controller to be able to recognize a deployed flipper. Thanks for watching.